There's no denying that skin changes as we age, and those changes can happen as early as our late 30s. During these phases, our estrogen and progesterone levels decline, as does collagen, resulting in drier, duller, and saggier skin. These hormonal changes can also cause more redness and irritation, and can make the skin more prone to environmental stressors. But there are certain steps we can take to help restore a more youthful appearance. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body that gives our skin that elasticity and supple look. So supplement with a high-quality option to support healthy skin and help minimize signs of aging. Antioxidants like vitamin C can help protect the skin from free radicals and environmental stressors to restore more radiant skin. But remember to consult with your doctor before adding supplements to your routine. I love using this highly concentrated vitamin C serum to help brighten the complexion, minimize the visible signs of aging, and improve skin texture, all while offering antioxidant protection. I also recommend locking in the serum with a lightweight vitamin C moisturizer to help improve skin's elasticity and brighten dull or dark areas.